welcome to Utkarsh Minds Python for Data Science. Today we will see the next part of Pandas data frames. So opening a question, and once the notebook is open, we will connect it and give it a name. So lesson 16 Pandas conditions. I am importing my data frame. So I have got this warning that several sessions are active, terminating the other sessions. So first NumPy, then we need pandas, and then I will create a data frame using pandas.data frame and NumPy dot random dot rand 365, 3. So this will also, I will need some columns here. It will be A, B and C, and further the data frame will be displayed. F should be capital. So now we have 365 rows and 3 columns with names A, B and C. Here you can see the names of the index, which is 0 to 364. It is possible to apply some conditions to the pandas data frame. For example, I am writing that I only want to select the rows that are greater than 0.5. So only wherever the column A values are greater than 0.5, only those rows will be selected. As you will see here, the first 4 rows, they have values in A column less than 0.5. So they were not displayed. We can also have multiple conditions. For example, data frame. So here one condition like this, and I will write a second condition with the sign ampersand, and that I want A and B, I want to select where A and B both are greater than 0.5. Okay, we have double ampersand. No. Okay, yes. We should write in the form of brackets like this. Then it will show where A and B both are greater than 0.5. So only 96 rows where A and B both are greater than 0.5. Only those rows have been displayed. We can also write that in this way. For example, we want a data frame. Let us say we only want for this and with this condition, and let us say we want the rows B only. So only the rows B will be selected. Okay, so from the data frame, or we can write this also in another way, that we should have B here, and then it will be selected in the form of series. If you want to select it in form of data frame, you can add 2 square brackets here. It will be in the form of a data frame. Very useful, these conditions. We have seen several such conditions. We can also have one more data frame. Let us create one more data frame and see the use of more such functions. So NumPy dot random dot rand. Let us have a small data frame and columns, let them be A, B and C, and I am displaying that data frame here. So we can have a new column, let us say data frame. I will sorry. So I will have a new column with the name states, and in this new column I will add some values like A, B, C and D. So now what is the result? There are only 3 values. So you see that there is a column states. Now if you want that this column states should become the index, so data frame dot set index. In this you can select the name of the column which you want to select as the index. So now you see we have got states as the index, but I think we have to set the in place argument also to true, otherwise it will not be reflected. So now that it is reflected also, then we can see the difference between loc. So here we have loc which will display like this, but if we want to display with iloc, then it cannot be with the name, it has to be with the index. So that is the difference. Loc displays with the name, whereas iloc displays the same row, row number 0, which is the first row, which is named as row A, index A. That same row can be displayed by loc like this and iloc in this manner. If you want to remove this index, then we can write data frame dot reset index, and here we will write in place as true. So now let us see what happens is that the index has been reset and we get back the original data frame. These are how we can use, these are some simple operations of data frame. We will see more such operations in the next video. So keep practicing.